Everybody, happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
My name is Dr. Sachin, very formal. You guys can call me as Sachin Coach. You can call me as Sachin Coach. Also, I am accompanied with many other coaches. Everybody say hi to Asra Coach. Hi, Asra Coach. Everybody, energy, come on. Hi, Asra Coach. See, he is wearing a whistle. So you want games? You can get the game, but if he doesn't blow the whistle, you want games? So everybody say hi to Asra Coach again. Hi. Very nice. We have Dhrutik Coach. He will make you play games. You guys want games?
Sir.
Everybody say hi, Dhrutik Coach.
Hi.
Some of you are saying hi kar rahe ho, bye kar rahe ho. Come on, hi Dhrutik Coach. And we have Harshita Coach. Most of you will know her. Correct, isn't it? Everybody says hi, Harshita Coach.
Hi, Harshita Coach.
Kya yaar? I thought she was popular.
So many of my students here.
Come on, everybody. Hi, Harshita Coach. Wonderful. Okay. And we have our manager, our big boss, Vishnu Crew. Everybody say hi to Vishnu Coach. Hi, Vishnu Coach. He is going to do the most important thing. He'll make us look good. You want to look good? Correct, dears? You guys want to make look good? Say hi to him. Hi, Vishnu Coach. So coming back to friendship game. We want to make lots and lots of friends, correct? So some of you have got friends, some of you have got handful, and he has got 50 friends. Popular guy, handsome guy. So the name of the game is called as friendship game. What it is? Friendship game. Okay, everybody look up, look down, look right, look left, look in the front, look in the back. Do you see many people here, including coaches? Can they be your friends? Can they be your friends? Correct? Isn't it? Left, right, there are many people, isn't it? Do you want to make more friends here? So we are going to do something called as a friendship game, or another revised version called as adjective game. तो इससे क्या होगा? सबको सबके नाम याद आ जाएंगे. And we will get a beautiful adjective. Okay? Let's say you dear come here. यहाँ आ जाओ. You also come here. Close the circle. Harshita Coach, you join in the middle. Okay, Dhrutik Coach, you can also join. You can join in the middle. Asra Coach, you can also join somewhere in the middle. You can join somewhere there. Yeah. Asra Coach, you come here. Okay, Dhrutik Coach. The name of the game is called as friendship game. We get to know everybody, and second thing is we get an adjective for ourselves. So I'll start with myself. So my name is Sachin Coach. So I'll say superb human Sachin. Superb humans Sachin. Now you have to say superb human Sachin. और आपका नाम क्या है?
Neerav.
Neerav. Come up with a nice adjective for yourself. Anything positive. Anything adjective. So superb human Sachin. Then
Superhuman Neerav.
superb human हो गया.
अलावा कोई भी वर्ड डाल दो.
हाँ. कुछ भी.
कुछ भी पॉजिटिव. हैंडसम, ब्यूटीफुल, इंटेलिजेंट, स्मार्ट, काइंड,
Brave.
कुछ भी. Okay.
Smart. Okay. Now you understood. This is superb humans Sachin Coach, and then he is smart Neerav. Okay. Now Harshita Coach will say.
So I will tell superb human Sachin Coach, smart Neerav, and kind Harshita Coach.
Understood? Superb human Sachin Coach. Everybody. Smart Neerav, then kind Harshita Coach. ऐसे ही ऐड होते जाएगा. Come on, start.
Memory game.
It's a memory game. Plus एक को adjective मिलेगा. Last तक याद रहेगा. Hey, smart Neerav, kind Harshita Coach, superb human. अच्छा है, बढ़िया है. So याद भी रखेंगे memory. जो pays attention, we have a prize for you. We have a gift for you. How many of you like gifts? You guys like gifts? You have to say I. You have to say I. I like gifts. Okay. You have to use the word I. Okay. How many of you love gifts? Say I. यार ये तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ यार. Come on, see my coaches alone will say. Dhrutik Coach, Asra Coach, Harshita Coach alone will say I. Only 3 of you. Coaches say I. कुछ लोग देख रहे ये क्या हुआ? Come on guys, एनर्जी सब कुछ है. आप लोगों को ये प्रोग्राम बोरिंग चाहिए या इंटरेस्टिंग चाहिए?
Interesting.
देन माय डियर, सब लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग तो ऐसे कर रहे हैं यार मुझे कब नींद आएगी. कई लोग तो ऐसे नींद से उठा के भेज दिया यहाँ पे. कम ऑन गाइस, आप लोग को एंजॉय करना है, मस्ती करके सीखना है या बोरिंग वे में सीखना है? Then energy नहीं आ रही. Come on. How many of you ready for this game? Say I. हाँ, अब कुछ मजा आया. स्कोर है 4.3. स्मार्ट नीरव 4.3 स्कोर है. Come on. हमारी एक ऐसी क्लास है, वी आर अलाउड टू मेक नॉइस. हम यहाँ पे आवाज़ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वर्कशॉप का नाम क्या है? स्पीक easy and speak loudly. Okay, ready? How many of you ready for game? Say I. 6.3 यार. Come on guys, energy चाहिए. Come on, सब लोग. How many of you want to make more fun? Say I. Very nice. शुरू करते हैं. अभी 6.5 ही आया है स्कोर. But okay, सचिन superb human. सचिन कोच, स्मार्ट नीरव, काइंड हर्षिता. हाँ, आप यहाँ से शुरू करो.
इन बोलते सर आपका
सुपर वुमेन सचिन कोच, स्मार्ट नीरव, काइंड हर्षिता, इंटेलिजेंट विराज.
इंटेलिजेंट
विराज.
विराज. याद रखना पड़ेगा आपको. विराज. यस.
सुपर वुमेन सचिन कोच, स्मार्ट नीरव, काइंड हर्षिता,
इंटेलिजेंट
विराज, पॉपुलर रियाज.
पॉपुलर
रियांश.
रियांश. नाइस.
सुपर वुमेन कोच सचिन,
स्मार्ट नीरव,
काइंड हर्षिता,
इंटेलिजेंट
इंटेलिजेंट विराज.
विराज, पॉपुलर. यू कैन रिपीट योर नेम. इट्स ओके. फर्स्ट राउंड चलता है.
रियाज.
रियांश. पॉपुलर रियांश. आपका नाम. इंटेलिजेंट हो गया. कुछ नए नए वर्ड्स भी सीखने के लिए मिलेंगे. करेक्ट. गुड. नो इजंट इट? या. जीनियस. जीनियस. जीनियस.
संयम.
संयम. जीनियस. संयम. नाउ स्टार्ट अगेन. हाँ, नेक्स्ट.
सचिन सुपर वुमेन सचिन.
सचिन कोच. कोचेस के लिए लगाना पड़ेगा आपको. हाँ.
इंटेलिजेंट
स्मार्ट
स्मार्ट
नीरव.
हर्षिता काइंड.
काइंड हर्षिता कोच. काइंड हर्षिता कोच. लाइक दैट. इंटेलिजेंट.
इंटेलिजेंट विराज.
वेरी नाइस.
रियांश.
पॉपुलर रियांश.
रियांश.
जीनियस.
जीनियस.
संयम. Understood? Everybody got it very clear? Yes. And yours?
फेमस विराज.
Famous?
विराग.
Virag.
विराट.
Virag. Very nice. Correct.
विराट.
Super women Sachin coach, smart Neerav, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular Riyansh, genius
Sayam.
Sayam, and
फेमस.
Famous?
famous Virag,
Virag.
dashing
Dashing Dhrutik. Okay. Dhrutik coach. You add coaches, you add Dhrutik coach. When you have to add like that. Okay. Dear, start. Neerav.
रियांश.
Dhrutik coach. Very nice. अच्छा हुआ. देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और आपका? Beautiful Kaira. Beautiful Kaira. Very nice. She's ready. चलता है. I will take it. I will take it. मैं ले लूँगा. कोई बात नहीं. Yes. रुलाओ मत ज़्यादा. सचिन कोच. स्मार्ट नीरव. इंटेलिजेंट विराज. रेयांश. जीनियस
Genius, Sayam,
Sayam. Famous.
Virat,
Virag. Dashing.
Kritik,
Coach. And beautiful Kaira. आपका.
Unique, Sia,
Unique Sia. Okay.
Superhuman Sachin coach, smart Meera, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular Priyansh, genius Sayam, famous Virag, dashing Kritik coach, beautiful Kaira.
Unique.
Unique Sia. But can we give her a big round of applause? Nice. Very. Your name.
Fabulous Hiral.
Fabulous.
Hiral.
Hiral. H-E-R-A-L.
HIRL.
H-I-R-L. Very nice. Continue. Smart. Kind Harshita coach.
Popular Priyansh. Genius.
Sayam.
Famous.
Famous
Virag. Virag. Beautiful Sia.
Oh, beautiful Kaira.
Beautiful Kaira. हाँ. Unique Sia.
Fabulous.
Hiral. Hiral.
Pretty
Pretty
Meher.
Mehak.
Meher.
Meher. M-E-H-E-R. Meher. Very nice. We'll help you. Superb human Sachin coach.
Smart, Hero,
हाँ बहुत पॉपुलर हो गए.
Sita coach, intelligent,
विराज. रेयांश. जीनियस संयम.
famous Virat, dashing coach, beautiful,
कायरा कायरा दीदी. हाँ. देन यूनिक सिया.
Fabulous. Hiral.
हिरल.
wonderful,
वंडरफुल.
Niyati.
नियति. वेरी नाइस. कम ऑन.
Smart. रेयांश. पॉपुलर. रेयांश. देन जीनियस संयम. विराग. कायरा. Wonderful. Fabulous. Fabulous. Even I need to remember. Fabulous. Hiral.
Hiral. Correct. Yeah. Meher.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Niyati. Brave. Riya. Kriya. K-R-I-Y-A. Kriya. Wonderful.
Superhuman Sachin, smart Meera,
Superhuman Sachin coach.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Smart Neerav. Kind Harshita. Intelligent Viraj. Popular Riyansh. Genius Sayyam. Famous Virag. Dashing Dhrutik coach. Beautiful Kaira. Unique Sia. Fabulous Hero. Pretty Meher. Wonderful Niyati. Brave.
Kriya. Brave.
Generous Vidhi.
Generous. Vriddhi. Wonderful.
Vriddhi itself means generous.
Sachin coach, smart leader, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Virat,
Very nice. Riyansh.
Riyansh.
Genius. Sayyam. Famous. Virag. Kaira. Unique. Sia. Pretty. Meher. Beautiful. Niyati. Brave. And generous. Vriddhi. Positive. Here. H-E-R. Everybody positive here. Remember. वो उल्टा भी आएगा अभी. ओ इसको ओ माय गॉड ये क्या हो गया मम्मी किधर है मम्मी नहीं है गेम में कम ऑन फोकस हाँ
superhuman Sachin coach, smart leader, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular Viraj, genius Sayyam, famous Viraj, dashing coach, नाम दोबारा
कियारा
Kaira.
कायरा कियारा
Sia, fabulous,
Hiral.
हीरल
pretty man, wonderful, beauty, brave,
क्रिया
generous, positive, aesthetic Roshni.
एस्थेटिक
Aesthetic Roshni.
एस्थेटिक रोशनी या
Superhuman Sachin coach, smart Meera, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, famous popular Riyansh, genius Sayyam, famous Viraj, dashing cricket coach, beautiful Kaya, unique Sia, fabulous Neil, pretty man, wonderful Niti, brave Priya, generous Vidhi,
कैन वी गिव हर अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज गॉड क्रिएटिव निधि NIDHI वेरी नाइस क्रिएटिव निधि या वी हैव अ कोच
Superhuman Sachin coach, smart Neerav, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular,
Riyansh.
रियांश
famous,
he is genius I am
genius,
he is famous
famous Viraj,
विराग
dashing beauty coach, unique Saira,
Beautiful Kaira.
beautiful Saira, unique
सिया
fabulous,
Hiral.
Hiral, pretty Meha,
Priti Meher.
मेहर
wonderful,
ब्यूटीफुल
नहीं नहीं wonderful Niyati.
ब्यूटीफुल ओके वंडरफुल नियति सॉरी अबाउट दैट ब्रेव क्रिया
generous,
Vriddhi.
वृद्धि
positive,
Heal.
हीर
Aesthetic.
एस्थेटिक रोशनी क्रिएटिव क्रिएटिव निधि एंड अमेजिंग Amazing Asra coach. Amazing Asra coach. हाँ.
Superhuman Sachin coach, smart hero, kind Ashita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular Yansh, genius Sayyam, famous Viraj, dashing Ruti coach, beautiful Kayara, unique Sia, fabulous Real, pretty Meher, wonderful,
नियति.
wonderful Niyati, brave, Shia, generous Niti,
Positive.
positively, aesthetic Roshni, creative Nidhi, amazing Asara,
Asra coach.
Asara coach,
He is a young coach.
brilliant Yash.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Yes. Can you give him a big round of applause? He did almost just going out too. Very nice. Yeah.
Superwoman Sachin coach,
Superwoman. She is superwoman. Superb humans.
Sachin coach, Neerav smart, kind Ashita coach, Viraj intelligent,
Riyan.
He is so very
Riyansh popular, Sayyam
genius. Genius.
famous,
Virag.
Virag, dashing Ritik coach, beautiful
Yeah, correct.
Kaira,
Kaira.
Unique.
unique Sia, Hiral, fabulous, pretty Mayak,
Wonderful.
wonderful Sia,
Niyati. Niyati. Brave. Kriya.
brave Priya, generous,
Vriddhi.
pretty,
Positive.
positive,
Heal.
Heal.
neat, aesthetic,
Roshni.
Light.
Roshni, needy,
Creative.
brilliant,
Amazing.
amazing,
Asra.
Asra coach.
Ashara coach,
And
brilliant,
Yes.
Yash,
Yash.
Namrata, elegant,
Elegant. Namrata. हाँ.
Namrata,
नम्रता. नम्रता. एलिगेंट नम्रता. आप याद रखिए यहाँ से उल्टा होने वाला है. आप स्मार्ट हो.
Superwoman Sachin coach, smart Neerav, kind Harshita coach, intelligent Viraj, popular Riyansh,
Genius.
जीनियस. संयम.
famous Virat, dashing beauty coach, beautiful Kaira,
यूनिक.
unique Sia, fabulous Hiral,
हीरल.
pretty Mahal, wonderful Niyati, brave Priya,
Helps everybody. Who helps everybody. Gives everybody. Generous.
generous
Vriddhi.
Vidhi, positive Priya,
Heal. Aesthetic. Aesthetic means everybody knows the meaning of aesthetic. Good looking. Okay, when you work on the aesthetic, light.
aesthetic Roshni,
Roshni. Creative.
creative
Nidhi. A only.
Amazing.
Amazing coach.
Asra coach.
Asra coach.
अरे ये तो है. Brilliant. Her, Yash and Namrata Didi. Elegant Namrata. और आप?
Good Dhara.
Good?
Dhara. Dhara.
Good Dhara. अब हम यहाँ से जाएंगे. Is it okay? Shall we begin? Ready? Smart Neera. Smart Neera. हाँ भाई मेरी बारी. But she did really well. Can we give her a big round of applause? All of you did well. Okay. This time we will see, we'll be giving points to people who get everything right. They get 50 points. How many points? How many if you want 50 points? Say aye. Aye. Very nice. Okay. Superb human Sachin coach. Superb human.
Viren Sachin coach. Good Dhara.
Elegant Namrata.
Superb human Sachin coach.
Superman Sachin coach. Good
Dhara.
Dhara. Namrata elegant.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Good Dhara. Elegant Samrata.
Namrata.
Namrata. Brilliant Yash.
Brilliant Yash. कॉमेडी पता है क्या होता है, लोग अपने भूल जाते हैं मैं क्या था. That'll be fun. If that happens, that'll be fun. Okay. हाँ.
Superhuman Sachin coach.
Good Dhara.
Dhara.
Elegant.
Namrata.
Namrata.
Intelligent.
Brilliant. Brilliant Yash.
Amazing Asra coach.
Amazing Asra coach.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Good Dhara. Elegant Namrata. Brilliant Yash. Amazing Asra coach.
Creative Nidhi.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Good Dhara. Elegant Namrata. Brilliant Yash. Amazing Asra coach. Creative Nidhi. Sachin coach. Good Dhara. Elegant.
Namrata.
Namrata. Brilliant. Brilliant Yash.
Asra coach. Creative Nidhi.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. Imaging boundary. Positive view.
Positive heel. Guys, you continue. I will arrange the next game. Up, huh?
Creative Nidhi. Aesthetic Roshni.
जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ, सुपर विमन सचिन कोच वहाँ थे, अब यहाँ पर है. देन गुड धारा. एलिगेंट नम्रता. ब्रिलियंट यश.
Unique.
नहीं नहीं, अमेजिंग असरा कोच.
Amazing Asra coach. Creative Nidhi. Aesthetic.
रोशनी.
Aesthetic Roshni. Positive heat.
जेनरस. जेनरस. वृद्धि.
Vidhi.
ब्रेव.
Brave. Kriya.
ब्रेव क्रिया. एंड यू आर
Wonderful Niyati.
वंडरफुल नियति. नेक्स्ट, कम ऑन.
Sachin coach.
गुड धारा.
Dhara.
ब्रिलियंट यश. Amazing Asra coach.
creative,
Nidhi.
aesthetic, positive, generous,
Who is very brave and wonderful Niyati. Pretty Meher. Yeah.
Superhuman Sachin coach, good Dara, brilliant years, amazing Asra coach, creative Nidhi, aesthetic Roshni, positivity, generosity, brave Priya, wonderful Niyati, pretty Mihir,
Can we give her a big round of applause? And
fabulous Hiral,
Fabulous.
fabulous Hiral.
Fabulous Hiral. Can we give a big round of applause to Hiral? Hiral, nice. Hiral takes her first 50 points. Can we give a big round of applause to Hiral? Very nice. Continue. Unique. Sia. Superwoman Sachin coach.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Good Dhara.
Elegant.
Elegant. Namrata.
Elegant Namrata. Brilliant.
Yash.
Brilliant Yash. Amazing.
Asra coach.
Amazing Asra coach.
Good in everything. They create a lot of things. Creative.
Creative.
Nidhi.
Creative Nidhi.
She is with good looking. Light. Roshni.
Aesthetic Roshni. Positive. Positive.
Here. She is generous.
Generous.
Vriddhi.
Brave. Priya. Wonderful.
Niyati.
Niyati. Pretty Meher.
Fabulous.
Fabulous Hiral.
Yes.
Unique Sia.
Unique Sia. Superwoman Sachin coach.
Coach. Good Dhara. Elegant. Namrata.
Very nice.
Then brilliant Yash. Amazing Asra coach. Then creative Nidhi. Aesthetic Roshni.
Very nice.
Positive Heal.
Come on. Almost.
Generous Riddhi.
Very nice.
Brave Priya. Wonderful Niyati. Then pretty Meher. Then fabulous. Hiral. Then unique Sia. Beautiful Kyra.
Beautiful Kaira. Very nice. 50 points for our beautiful Kaira. Wonderful. 2 people have already got. Very nice. Yes. Superwoman Sachin coach.
Superwoman Sachin coach, good Dara, elegant Namrata, brilliant Yash, amazing Asra coach, creative Nidhi, aesthetic Roshni, positive Heat, generous Vriddhi, brave Priya, wonderful Niyati, pretty Meher, fabulous Hiral, unique Sia, beautiful Kyra, dashing beautiful.
Dhruti coach also gets 50 points. Can you give a big round of applause? Nice, Dhruti coach. Yes.
Superhuman Sachin coach. Good Dhara. Elegant Namrata. Yash. Brilliant. Amazing Asra coach. Creative Nidhi. Elegant.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic Roshni. Positive Heat. Generous.
Buddhi.
Brave. Priya. Wonderful Niyati. Pretty Meher. Fabulous Hiral. Unique Sia. Beautiful Dashing Dhrutik coach.
आप ये देखो यही मैं बोल रहा था, ये होने वाला था.
Famous Virat.
हाँ यस, फेमस विराज, ये सिंह फेमस विराज, आपको पता नहीं है क्या? हाँ,
Sachin coach. Dhara.
एलिगेंट,
Elegant.
नम्रता,
Intelligent.
ब्रिलियंट, ब्रिलियंट यश,
Brilliant. Yes. Amazing. Asra coach.
क्रिएटिव,
Creative.
निधि, एस्थेटिक,
Aesthetic. Roshni.
रोशनी, पॉजिटिव,
Positive.
हीर,
Aesthetic.
नहीं, जेनरस, जेनरस, वृद्धि,
Brave, Priya,
ब्यूटिफुल,
wonderful Niyati,
वंडरफुल नियति,
pretty,
प्रेटी,
Meher,
मेहर,
fabulous,
सिया, एंड वेरी 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 एफ, फेमस का नाम बोले, विराग,
Genius Ayyar.
जीनियस संयम. हाँ,
Superhuman Sachin coach, good Dhara, elegant Namrata, brilliant Yash, amazing Asra coach, creative Nidhi, aesthetic Roshni, positive Veer, generous Nidhi, brave Priya, wonderful Niyati, pretty Mehak, fabulous Hiril, unique Shia, beautiful Kaira, dashing Dhrutik coach, famous Virat, genius Sayam, popular Yansh.
very nice. 50 plus extra 10. The speed is said extra 10, 60 points for you. Yes.
Superhuman Sachin coach, Dhara, elegant Namrata, brilliant Yash, amazing Asra coach, creative Nidhi, aesthetic Roshni, positive Veer, generous Nidhi, brave Priya, wonderful Niyati, pretty Meher, fabulous Veer, unique Sia, beautiful Kaira, dashing Dhrutik coach, famous Virat, genius Sayam, popular Viraj, intelligent Viraj.
बोलो ना intelligent Viraj.
हाँ, intelligent. Can you give a big round of applause? 50 plus 10, 60 points. Very nice. Hashita coach. Yeah.
Superhuman Sachin coach, good Dhara, elegant Namrata, brilliant Yash, amazing Asra coach, creative Nidhi, aesthetic Roshni, positive Veer, generous Vriddhi, brave Priya, wonderful Niyati, pretty Meher, fabulous Viral, unique Sia, beautiful Kaira, dashing Dhrutik coach. This one is
Famous.
Virag, genius Sayyam, popular Riyaj and intelligent Virat, and Viraj and kind Ashita coach.
Superwoman Sachin coach.
Superhuman Sachin coach, good Dhara,
Elegant Namrata.
elegant Namrata,
Brilliant Yash. Amazing Asra coach. Creative Nidhi.
aesthetic Roshni, positive Veer, generous
फिर खुद से बोलो.
Help him.
Wonderful Niyati,
Pretty.
fabulous Viral, unique Sia,
Beautiful.
beautiful Kaira, dashing Dhrutik
athletic coach.
Famous.
Famous Viraj.
Intelligent Sayyab.
Yes.
Genius Sayyab.
Popular Viraj.
Intelligent.
Intelligent Viraj.
Viraj.
Kind.
Kind.
Hashida coach. और आप स्मार्ट नीना वंडरफुल लवली कैन यू गिव एवरीबॉडी अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज मैं एक और गेम खेलना चाहता था हर्षिता कोच कैन यू गो एंड फाइंड आउट कैन वी एक्सटेंड फॉर 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स देन वी कैन हैव द स्मार्ट रोप अदरवाइज हम एक दो एक्टिविटी करते हैं ओके व्हेन आई से क्लास यू विल ऑल से यस गॉट इट व्हेन आई से क्लास यू विल से यस इज इट वेरी क्लियर ओके व्हेन आई से क्लास यू विल से क्लास very nice now however I say brave however I say you will say like that only got it okay class 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 yes yes matlab yes 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 one more we will do this will help me to grab your attention very quickly when I say clap you must not clap when I say clap आप लोग clap नहीं करोगे okay clap clap don't clap means एक ताली don't clap means एक ताली don't clap 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 don't clap एक और गेम खेलें we'll find out whether we have the time or not if we have the time then we can play this okay this is a very nice game it's called as Guruji Netaji Sardarji Punjabi this is Guruji everybody come on Guruji इसमें जो आउट होगा पीछे people will sit at the back we'll see the winner will get 100 points how many points
Till 9-10 we can expect.
till 9-10 I'm thinking of doing rope tomorrow itself because the briefing of that will take some time okay I'm doing Guruji I did that too this thing Guruji this is Guruji why this is Guruji Sia why this is Guruji very nice can you give a big round of applause Sia you will also take 10 points can you give a big round of applause Sia okay wonderful this is Guruji this is Netaji Preeti why do we put this say this is Netaji we salute them okay we don't salute all the netas no who is to hold this sign Netaji we call him Subhash Chandra Bose wonderful lovely this is Netaji everybody this is Netaji this is Sardarji why do we say this is Sardarji why they'll have turban correct isn't it turban and this is Punjabi why we say this Punjabi Vritti because of their cultural dance called Bhangra correct okay Guruji Netaji Sardarji Punjabi Guruji Sardarji oh Punjabi Netaji Sardarji Punjabi Netaji Guruji Punjabi clap matlab don't clap okay got it wonderful okay yeah we'll add one more to this we'll add two more to this okay one is called as Shivji like this 3 lines Shivji we go no they'll put this have you seen people will put 3 lines okay Guruji Shivji Punjabi Netaji Shivji okay then we'll add one more Khujli is like this okay got it Khujli Netaji Khujli Punjabi Sardarji clap okay Netaji This is Netaji. This is Netaji. Priti. Netaji. Sardar ji. Punjabi. Guruji. Sardar ji. Khujli. Everybody is doing Khujli. Netaji. She is doing Khujli in the neck. गले में खुजली हो रही. सरदार जी. Punjabi. Clap. Did you all enjoy today day one? We planned some other games, but then हुआ क्या कि we started a little late, so we're not able to finish one game. Now we will give you guys 100 points. How many points? और जिन जिन लोगों को points मिला है, ध्रुति कोच को लिखवा देना. All of you got some extra points, correct? Who all got points here? रोशनी, you did not get points? आपको नहीं, सॉरी, नहीं मिला आपको? निधि आपको नहीं? Who and all got points at the end? Yeah, you got the points. You have to tell it to Dhruti coach how much you got. Okay, at the end we'll have some prize. Okay, wonderful. So whoever, but now you will do one activity. सब लोग अपनी notebook लेंगे. Okay, and you will write down everybody's names with whatever their adjective. She is what? Good Dhara. Who is he? Popular Riyan. Who is she? Aesthetic Roshni. She is General Vidya. She is like that. सबके नाम लिखो. जो सबके नाम लिख पाएगा 5 मिनट्स में. कितने? संयम 5 मिनट्स में. कितने टर्न में विराज? 5 मिनट में. कितना? 5 मिनट्स में जो सारे नाम लिख पाएगा विल गेट 100 पॉइंट्स. 100 पॉइंट. गॉट इट. गो 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 फास्ट. बहुत धीरे. बहुत विसिल 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 लड़ेगा. जल्दी. जो लास्ट आएगा वो पूरा हॉल साफ करेगा. जो लास्ट आएगा उसे पूरा साफ करना पड़ेगा. कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन. धारा आ गई. वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. जल्दी लिखो. जो सब लिखेगा. पूछना नहीं है. पूछना नहीं है. यू हैव टू दिस थिंग. ओके, बिना पूछे लिखना है. याद करके लिखना है. कम ऑन. या डे 1 प्रोग्राम का नाम क्या है? स्पीक इजी. प्रोग्राम का नाम क्या है? स्पीक इजी. डे 1 हमने कई दोस्त बनाए, उनका नाम पता लगा, उनके बारे में एक अच्छी चीज. शी इज एलिगेंट नम्रता. लिखो. हाँ, ओ सुपर ह्यूमन सचिन कोच से डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर में जा रहा है. वाओ, ब्रिलियंट. माय ब्रिलियंट यश. यस. नहीं, कैसे भी लिख सकते, ऑर्डर में नहीं. बट इफ यू आर एबल टू गेट ऑल यू विल गेट 100 points. Yes. किसी से एक एक्स्ट्रा पेपर मिलेगा? Can I get one extra paper? Dhruti coach. Dhruti coach, speak easy. You write up the name and scores. Okay. Who and all are able to remember everything? Sachin coach, smart Nirav, very nice dear, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. We have, very sorry. We have 3 more minutes. Priti, 3 more minutes. Hey, Priti is going at a very good pace. Hey, even, yeah, wow, almost done. Very nice, wonderful, very nice. Dhruti coach, you write just the, you can write the names also. Tomorrow you will be taking. Smart rope. I'll let you know. Okay, because today we had a change, no? So, here you go. Okay, elegant. Okay, if you are going like this, elegant Namrata. If you remember, good. As a coach, if you remember, super Hercula. Correct? Yeah. Sorry? You can write the names and you can write our scores. Okay. So this score sheet you keep with you.
2 minutes more, 2 minutes more.
Very nice, wonderful. Intelligent Viraj. He is Viraj. I'm really good, Didi Sajay Chinda. I saw Yaksh. Yeah.
Let him be as a coordinator.
Yeah. No, but he is doing a great job.
Good.
Here only or somewhere in ECR also you are taking, sir?
ECR she is taking tomorrow.
Okay.
She is taking tomorrow. We are doing again on Kilpak also on 5th.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, they also invited.
Chule?
No, only these. Then we have our own workshops. Now we have Annanagar Center also. Lots of every day.
I've been no coach.
No, now Didi, we have a very large center in Annanagar Roundtana itself.
Okay.
Very large center. What you saw was me and Soshina ji having a small
No,
counseling.
no, no. Oh, no, no, Roundtana. This Mehul Bhaiya's. I came to the center.
You came?
EFT.
EFT. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
that's
came.
how you-
But now the center is picked up.
Okay, good.
So many students all the time. Duti coach is here. Duti coach. Anita Didi. You met Yaksh leader, Dwaj, Navya. Yes. Navya's aunt she is, but Yaksh and Dwaj. Dwaj kahan hai?
Dwaj, he is doing CA now.
Oh, he's studying with CA.
Yeah.
Hajita is doing CA.
6:45 he'll start.
Very nice.
1:30 to 2 o'clock he'll get back. And then
Good,
he'll do
good.
his lessons.
He was crazy about cricket.
Yeah, he was and he is.
Still, let him play. You don't play, what happens?
No.
And Didi, everybody knows she's a cricket commentator. Lumbini pays her big money to be a cricket commentator.
No, they don't pay money.
They don't pay money. आप free में मत करो, बंद कर दो. Done. Everybody is done. Okay. Didi, just we have finished almost. Who has written all? Priti wrote all. Priti. Duti coach.
Vritti, Roshni, Yash,
Priti, brilliant Yash.
and Viraj.
Viraj has written. Viraj, very nice. Okay, Viraj, Vriddhi, Nidhi. आपने सबका लिख लिया. Brilliant Yash. Duti coach, write down 100 points for these 4-5 people.
लिख दिया, रोशनी ने नहीं लिखा.
So did you all enjoy today?
Yes, sir.
Did you all enjoy?
Yes, sir.
सर कहाँ पर है? सर को कोई बुला के लेगा.
Yes.
हाँ कोच. Yes, हम सारे coaches. Did you all enjoy? कल एक रिक्वेस्ट है. Be here before 9 o'clock. हमने हर दिन 8 o'clock. Yeah. हमने हर दिन we have planned 3 games. How many games? 3 games. How many games? Sayam? 3 games. You want to play all the games? आज हम नहीं कर पाए. Everybody had fun? Okay, clap. Don't clap. Guruji, Khujli, Sardar ji, Netaji, Punjabi, Sardar ji. Clap. So did you all enjoy? Tomorrow be here before 8. Before 8 and we will start off with more and more games. We had planned 9, 10 दूसरी class का समय हो गया. Okay? Enjoyed everybody? Yes? Wonderful. Have a great time. Hello everybody. My name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.